All right, today what we're going to do is on our 2025 Chevy Trailblazer 1.3 liter turbo. It's got about 14,000 miles. I just purchased it about a month ago. I'm just going to do a DIY on how to change the spark plugs. My cars, I like to make sure I know when stuff is replaced. Just that's the way I am. So we're going to go ahead and demonstrate how to do a 3 spark plug change on the Chevy Trailblazer. First you need a T30 Torx on a 3/8, or most likely it's 3/8. You're going to take off the one bolt that's holding the engine cover down. Just put that aside. Just use your T30, back out the bolt. Then what you're going to do is go ahead and remove the oil filler cap just by turning counterclockwise. Yeah, put that aside. Once the oil filler cap's removed, you can go ahead, lift up there on this corner, and then on the front here, lift up, put it aside. Give you access to the 3 coil packs, 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, however you prefer it. And what you're going to do is, each coil pack has a gray plug. You're just going to push towards the firewall. Tough. Push down here. 2 minutes. Like that. One comes off. You'll hit a click, and then push down. Sorry, it's a little tough. There you go. Slide it off. Same with the other one. Back, you'll hear a click, and then push, and then pull back. They're a little tough on here. Sorry if I'm in the way. Sometimes you need like a flathead just to kind of give you a little push. And push down. There we go. Pops right off. What you're going to do is, after that, there is an 8mm bolt. You can use 8mm quarter, 8mm whatever. Go ahead and loosen each one up like that. I usually like to take it off the socket and spin it a little faster, like so. Comes up, all the way out. Don't take it all the way out. All the way out. Put that aside. And each coil pack will just come up. Put it up here. 1, 2. Don't lose the bolt. 3. Leave them up there for now. And what you're going to do is, these spark plugs require a 14mm spark plug socket. I got the one that's magnetic, AutoZone Duralast. And you can use an extension if you like. And let's back these out and see what we got going on in here. Like I said, I just purchased this probably about a month ago. So let's see, 14,000 miles. Let's see how the spark plugs look. Got a little bit of oil on them, not too bad. A little brown, but I'm just going to go ahead and replace them. Let's see if they're the same ones. Ooh, they are a little bit brown. AC Delco, yep, they're 41-106-IPs. Those are the exact ones I'm putting in there. Put those aside. Go ahead and grab my thing. Pull out each one. Show them on camera so I can look at it later a little closer. Yeah, this one's not too bad. Still got the same browns. Got a little, not too bad. I should check the gap on these just to be curious. Let's see. Here's a gapper. You can check the gap. I mean, it's right around 28, 29. Manual says 30, so that's what I'm gonna gap the other ones at. What the heck? Come on, get off. Now it's stuck on the gapper. There we go. Get the last one out. Probably want to do this on a cold engine. I had to move it a couple minutes so it didn't get too warm. Cold engine assures they come out and go in as, let's see what we got here. Pretty clean. They're all the same. But like I said, I'd rather just do it so I know that they're good. Right. You can see, brand new, same one. AC Delco 41-109 IP. Gap to 30. Just gonna double check them. This one's around 31, so just go ahead and hit that. That should. There you go. Or maybe a little bit more. Now I went to 32. I'm gonna. There you go. Right around 30. Go ahead and just throw it in the magnetic spark plug thing socket and get her in. Not using a torque wrench, but once it gets tight, you want to do probably. It's already tight. Not, that's it. It comes right out. Let's see, go ahead and check the second one. Yeah, see this one. Yeah, this one's right around 30. Perfect. I don't know if I got that on camera, but yeah, it's right around 30. Just go ahead and throw her in. Thread it in all the way. Once you hear it grab, just go ahead and give it a little turn. Put that down. Let's check the third one. As you can see if I can get that on camera. There you go. 41-1061 IP. Original replacement. This one's right around 31. Let's give it a little tap. Get it down to 30. There you go. Check your magnetic socket. He's in there. Thread it in by hand. Get it tight. Put your wrench on there. Hand tight, popped it out. There we go. Tool aside. And then you just take your coil pack, put it back in the way it came out, all the way in. Thread by hand. 1, 2. I used to own a V6 before this, so it took twice as long to do this. Get it, grab your 8mm, set the tighten, crank it by hand, and tight. Sorry if I don't know the torque specs exactly for this, but I've done this over 30 times on cars, so it's just a matter of feel. Done. And then you just take your connections, boom, push, click, push the gray pin forward, click, gray pin, click, gray pin, and then you grab your engine cover, put it back, line up the oil filler, 1, 2, that goes down, you grab your bolt that had the T30 once again. All the way down. Grab your wrench. Hand tight. Clear everything out. Put your little filler cap back on. You clear out everything here. And give her a start and she should be good to go. Nice to have the keys first. Alright, thanks for watching. 2025 Chevy Trailblazer 1.3 liter turbo spark plug exchange. Please subscribe, comment, like, do all that good stuff, and see you in the next one.